In this video, I'll show you the 3 different fuse box locations on your Kia Optima. So the first one is inside of the cabin. Go on the driver's side. And you're gonna notice there is this panel that you simply need to put your fingers here and remove it. You're gonna have a fuse box diagram telling you which fuse is which. And right over here, if we remove this module, the fuse box will be quite deep inside of the dash, right over there. Obviously you may not have these accessories hanging on, but yeah, it's there. If you find that it's hard to have access, I'll put links in the description towards Amazon where you can find fuse pullers that have an extension. It's like a plier, so it's easier to reach when it's deep inside the dash. For the next location, we need to pull this hood latch and go there. So over here, we're gonna have another fuse box here. You simply need to push these latches to unlock the lid. And here is another fuse box. Again, you're gonna have a diagram on this side. Now, some Optimas may have an additional fuse box right over there. This one does not have one, but maybe yours has. It will be a similar box, but a rectangular one, similar to this one. You just have to open the lid and get to those fuse box. There won't be many if you have one. But overall, this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.